Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over another month of Wrist Mafia. This one, it looks pretty cool. The box is actually pretty snazzy. I love the design, super cool. So I'm very excited to actually take a look at what's inside of the box and see exactly what watch I've received this month. If you guys don't know what Wrist Mafia is, it's actually a monthly subscription box where you can just join for $29 a month and receive a brand new watch that you get to keep every month. The normal monthly subscription is $29, the 3-month subscription is $82.50, and the 6-month subscription is $156. A little bit of a disclaimer before we go any further. This video is sponsored by absolutely no one, so your subscription would be greatly appreciated, guys. I'm not affiliated with Wrist Mafia, and I pay every single one of my subscriptions. They don't even know I do these unboxings for you all. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box, and let's go ahead and see exactly what we got. Oh, see, look at that, guys. That is Wrist Mafia right there, coming through this month on a Centro Milano. I've never even heard of this watch company, but that looks amazing. Love the fabric band and love the overall look of the watch as well. That's right up my alley entirely. Looks fantastic. So very excited to get this watch. And look at this. Okay, band looks super fresh. Let's go ahead and put it on the wrist and see how it feels. The fabric band is a little hard right now since it has not had time to get worn in, but we can go ahead and get this watch wiggled on here and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. Wow, what a nice looking watch, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Love it. It might be cheap. I've been getting a lot of comments down in the comment section below hating on Wrist Mafia, saying that the watches look cheap and this and that. But I think they look pretty daggum stylish, bro. I think they look pretty fly. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Do you guys think these look pretty cheap or what? I think that they look great for $29. That is an amazing deal. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more products with real life applications, more super cool watches at a great price. Awesome balling on a budget type watches. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.